In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can text chat here in Battlefield RedSec while you're playing on a controller. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But whenever you're in a match, simply go ahead and just press that options button, and this is going to open up the in-game menu. Simply go ahead, and if you're on controller, use that touchpad to open that up, or if you're on Xbox, just press that view button, and then press X or A, depending on your platform, to open up your on-screen keyboard. From here, you can type in whatever message you would like, and then go ahead and hit done, which is going to be that right trigger to send it. You can also switch channels too. You can do this by hitting R1 or RB to switch between squad and everyone. But overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, remember that you can ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.